Alright, so here we are on one of the last videos here. This is the stop. Now on our packing list, this is number 13, which is the stop sheet. And we'll talk about what follows after this in a second. So on the stop sheet, you're going to receive this paper here. I'll show it to you. I have it right here in front of me. This comes with the package. And as you scroll down here, it says, do not let orders pile up. You can send them all in one priority mail flat rate package. When you receive an order, you must send that order to be processed within 48 hours or 2 days. If you do not, you will be terminated from the program. The exceptions are only weekends and holidays. All that they ask is that you do your part and we'll do their part. Or should I say, all we ask is that you do your part and we will do our part. When customers spend $1,000, they want action. By not shipping their order within 2 days, it will leave negative comments on videos and bad reviews and will hurt everybody. So please get with the program. We don't have time to change any Pampers. Alright, so that's pretty much it. This is just an urgent notice to let you know that once you've signed up for the program, when you have sales, you need to have some system in place to make sure that you don't have any sales for 2 days that go unnoticed, that are not processed and shipped out through the post office. Alright, let's move on to the next video.